Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the financial data analytic class. Tonight we are going to discuss on the Python fundamental for data visualization using Matplotlib. I also plan to continue with the Seaborn, so there will be some changes in the syllabus. Supposedly for tonight class we go into the linear regression, but since I put also Seaborn after the Matplotlib, maybe I think the linear regression will be moved to next week together with the logistic regression. So both of the topics will be covered next week, yeah? Because the topic for tonight for the Matplotlib and Seaborn is quite critical. Okay, so regarding Python fundamental using Matplotlib. So the objective for tonight class is that you understand why we use data visualization and what is data visualization, and then what is Matplotlibs and types of plot in the Matplotlib library. And then we have some demos during the class. Okay. Why not change? Hang ka? Oh, wait a second. All right. Okay. Cool. Why data visualization? So basically, human brains can process information easily when it is pictorial, yeah, or graphical form. So this is very common that there is a jargon that's saying a picture tells 1,000 words. Yeah? So when we have a picture, the human brain can process it easily because it tells you 1,000 words. Yeah? So this is a very human, that they better process the information when it is a picture. And why data visualization? Because it will allow us, the data visualization also will allow us to quickly interpret data and adjust different variables to see their effect. Yeah? When we have some, let's say, there is a plot like here, like this. There is some, okay, on the sales. This visualization allow us to interpret the data, seeing that the sales is going up. Yeah? The sales is going up. Let's say this is Y. Yeah? Y is sales. Yeah? And X is what we call it, days, yeah, or months. Yeah? So this data visualization allow us to quickly interpret data and adjust different variables to see their effect. They can change. What about if looking on top of days? What about on top of month? Or what about on top of year? What is month on month growth? What is year on year growth? We can quickly interpret the data and see the different variables, rather than you see the data is in the X and Y. Say X1, 2, 3. One is 100, 125, 135. Yeah, it is better off in the visualization. And then what is data visualization? Yeah. Data visualization is the presentation of data in a pictorial or graphical format. How to do data visualization? So we have data. What is the stages that, in developing this visualization? Yeah, there is data set. Yeah, there is not data set yet. There is data. There is table here. Table of demographic data. Table of transaction data. Table of product holding data, etc. And then we need to transform in the data in the server into a data set. So we can have one data set as a master data set. And when the data ready, yeah, we develop visualization of the data. Yeah. Visualization on the, let's say, on the sales. Visualization on the product holdings. Visualization on the transaction for each of the product holdings. So we would like to visualize the data to see what is the trend now. Is it positive trend or negative trend? Just visualizing it to understand, to identify the problem that currently the company facing. So data visualization, we need data visualization to identify the current situation of the company. When we have visualized the data, the next objective is to analyze it, to go deep into it. Okay, so I understand that our sales going down. I understand that our productivity is going down. So what is the, and then we need to analyze it. How do we analyze it? Using the predictive model. We have there for the next week is the linear regression, using the logistic regression, using the neural networks, using the support vector machine. And then after we develop the analysis, and then we develop the document insights. So we have the insights. How to increase the sales? What is the variable that determine the increase of the sales? If you want to increase the sales by 20%, what should you do? If you want to increase the sales 40%, what should you do? Or if you just want to keep the sales increase 5%, what should you do? Different objectives will have different ways. Yeah, that is the insights that we need to have. Starting from visualization on the current situation. And then there is okay. So what is the Python Matplotlib? Yeah. So the topic today is the Matplotlib. All right. So Matplotlib Matplotlib is a library that is using two-dimensional graphics in the Python programming. Yeah. It can be used in the script, yeah, Python script or codings. Yeah. Just like in Kaggle, Jupyter Notebooks, etc. Yeah. And Matplotlib is not in the standard library in Python. Yeah. So when we want to conduct Matplotlib, we need to import Matplotlib first before we do it. And in Matplotlib, there are a lot of types of plots. So we can do bar graph in the Matplotlib. Yeah. And then we can do histograms in Matplotlib. We can do scatter plot model in Matplotlib in the visualization. We can have it in pie plot model in Matplotlib, hexagonal bin plot, area plot, yeah, etc. Okay. So this is the types of plots that we have. Okay, I will demonstrate each one of these in detail using the Matplotlib model library. So let's start. It. So there is some basic code to generate one of the most simple graph. Yeah. So I want to have, we have the data like this. The data, the x coordinate is 1, 2, 3, and the y coordinate is 4, 5, 1. So this is x, this is y. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. This is A. And then 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This is B. And then 3 and 1, C. So using Matplotlib, I would like to develop a plot like this. How do we do that? Okay, open your Kaggle and let's have some.
Sorry, Pak Jerry, can
yes.
you repeat again, Pak, on the graph?
On the graph, come again. Okay. So this is the coordinate is x and y. Yeah. So on the x, we have 1, 2, and 3. Y is 4, 5, and 1. So this is I want to develop A. 1, 4, B, 2, 5, and C, 3, and 1. So I would like to develop a graph, simple graph like this, yeah, in Python. How to do it in Python? Okay, let's do it in Kaggle. All right, this is the Kaggle. Okay, so first of all, we need to import the pyplot. Yeah, from the Matplotlib, we import pyplot Splt. This is the standard procedure to import pyplot Splt. Okay. Okay, it'll take a second before we start. Okay, and then we have an array of x and y. We write the code is plt dot plot, and then okay, let me do it again. Plt dot plot, and then parenthesis, square bracket, comma, square bracket. This is for x and y. This is, we have there 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 1. And then let's show the plt dot show. Okay, put some parentheses here. All right, voila. Yeah, so there is we have the x and y for the data, and then let's show the simple graph. Everybody succeed on this one? Anybody did not succeed? Raise your hand. Everybody okay?
Still writing.
All right, can wait. Let's wait first. This one is delete cell. Okay. From Matplotlib, import pyplot Splt. So we use plt.plot. Yeah, plt. Yes, Jolanda.
What the different plt dot show with round bracket, and in the previous one is only plt dot show.
Oh, plt.show without bracket. You mean like that?
Yes,
Okay, just try it.
same.
Yeah, same. Yeah, both can do. Yeah. Okay. Usually, if we have it in the bracket, there is some. If we put nothing in there, it is the same without bracket. But if we want to differentiate a little bit, so we can use this one. Close is none, block is none. So there is some improvisation in the simple graphs. Yeah. Let's say head. If you put head without bracket, if you put the bracket with zero empty bracket, it will show you 5 rows on the top 5 rows. But if you put 3 in the bracket, you put 3 top rows. Yeah. So that is the difference. Okay, everybody succeed on this?
No, I'm having error.
Oh, okay. So can you share your screen, please? Let me stop sharing first. Okay. Share your screen, Nining.
Yeah, already.
From Matplotlib, import pyplot Splt. Plt.plot. 1, 2, 3 plt dot
Or
show unexpected error. Oh, plt dot show.
PLT show.
You put you put to the left.
Yeah.
oh,
Backspace.
Yeah. Okay.
okay. Oh, okay.
All right.
Why it's like when I enter, it's just like directly make a space automatically, Pak?
Supposedly not. Yes, supposedly not.
Oh, okay. Okay, Pak.
Okay. Right.
But I still have error, Pak.
Can I see your codes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I think we need to run the first code first.
Oh yeah, you haven't run the first one. Run first. Run it first. Not yet.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. After that, you can run the second one.
Okay. Thank you, Pak.
Okay. Cool. What about the others? All good? Yes, Sachin.
Okay, Pak.
Okay. Okay. Let me share you my screen again. Yes.
Pak Jerry,
Yep.
like Subendu previously showed, there's like a syntax called, I forgot the name, like because it sometimes show up, it's sometimes don't,
Uh-huh.
or the latex or maybe Subendu can
Okay. No
because
worries.
I didn't find it in mine.
Yeah. No worries. That is just when you put some
Oh,
Markdown, something like that. Markdown. Yeah, Markdown supposedly like a
notes, right?
notes. Yeah, something like this one is yeah. Let's say Markdown. This is let's say simple graph, something like that. Yeah. Okay, something like that. Something like that. So just marking down, making notes. Yep. Okay. And then, all right. So, okay, this is type markdown, yeah? Yeah, so there is, okay, let me delete.
That one,
Yeah, let me delete.
and
Yeah,
latex.
that is because there is, I put markdown before. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. So this is the basic code to generate the one of the most simple graph. There is because in the Matplotlib you are dealing with the 2-dimension x and y, 2-dimension only, yeah, x and y. If you have 3-dimension, different, not Matplotlib, but using the seaborn later on after this. Okay, so next is
that's why it's called like so it's
plot.
Pak Jerry.
Yes.
So that's why it's called like a simple because of that, yeah, Pak.
Yeah,
Because only can show 2-dimension.
Yeah, only 2-dimension. Okay. And then next is let's add title and label to our graph. So I want to put title info, and then x is x-axis, and then in y is y-axis. So from Matplotlib, we import pyplot splt as usual, and we have the x and y here. Yeah, so it is different style. Yeah, we define x first, and then we define y. Yeah, and then pyplot x comma y. Previously we use pyplot directly x and y. Now we put another style, pyplot x and y. So the x going into the pyplot after it is defined first. We define x first, we define y first. And then we put pyplot x and y. Yeah. After that, we put plt dot title. This is for the title. And then plt y label is y-axis. Plt x label x-axis. And then plt show. Let's do it in Kaggle. Okay. So this one. So we already have the from Matplotlib import pyplot splt. It will still it is still active now. So we do not need to write it anymore. So let's write it. Let's code it. X equal to, and then y equal to, and then plt dot plot from x and y, and then plt dot title equal info, and then plt dot y label, so we need to give y label equal to y axis, and then plt dot x label equal to x axis. Okay, and then plt dot show. So we need to define what is the coordinate that we are going to use. 5, 8, 10, 12, 16, 6. Run it. Oh, there is some error. PLT. Oh, okay. PLT. Oh no. PLT plot. Okay, sorry, I missed the O. Okay. Right. So, voila, we have the PLT title, Y label, and X label. Okay. Everybody success with the codes? Anybody having errors? Okay, good. Nining, what about you?
Okay, Pak.
Okay. Success? Nining?
Sukses, Pak.
Okay, good. If anybody having error? Yolanda, Giselle?
Oh, Pak.
All good, ya?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so this one is okay. Next. Oh, not Seaborn. This one. Okay. Next. Let's adding style to our graph. So I want to I have two lines. Yeah, there is line number 1 and line number 2. Yeah, line number 1 and line number 2. This is, let's say, this is the IHS, okay, Jakarta Stock Exchange. This is the Mandiri. So, what is the graph of the stock returns in Jakarta Stock Exchange? And what is the graph of Mandiri return in the stock exchange? Something like that, yeah. So there is line 1 on the Jakarta Stock Exchange, line 2 in Mandiri. Y-axis, X-axis. So as usual, we conduct from Matplotlib, we import pyplot splt, and then I want to have a new style. So from Matplotlib, we import again style. And this time we use the style that we use is ggplot. Style.use ggplot. And then we define x and y, x1 and y1, and then we define x2 and y2. And then plt.plot from x, y, g. G means green. Recall the class last week, yeah? G is green, C is cyan. And then we label it line 1. This is the label. Line 1 with the line width is 5. And then we also plt plot x2, y2 with the color of cyan, label line 2 with the line width is 5. Also put plt title, the epic info, and then plt label y-axis, x-axis, and then we also create a plt legend. Yeah, plt legend. This one is the label. Yeah, this is one is the legend. Yeah, the legend label. Yeah, the legend label. Okay, and then plt grid. Okay, we need some grid here. Okay, plt grid is true, meaning that we use grid in the on the graph with the color of K. What is K? Black. K is black, yeah. K is black. And then show it. Okay, let's do it in Kaggle. Okay. Right. So from Matplotlib, let me Matplotlib, we import style. And then the style we are going to use is the famous one we call ggplot. ggplot. Okay, and then we need to define x1 x1 equal to, okay, and then y1 equal to, and then x2 equal to, and then y2 equal to. Okay, and then let's plot the coordinates. Plt dot plot, yeah, x1, y1, and then it is with the color of green, and then with the legend label equal to line 1, and with the width, line width equal to 5. Yeah. The same with this for the x2 and y2. Okay, but with the label of line 2. Line width the same. Okay, after that, yeah, okay, we have just put the plot, and then we need to name the title. plt.title in info, plt.ylabel call y-axis, plt dot x label equal to x axis. Let's do plt show parenthesis. Okay, so we need to identify the define the x1 5 8 10 kah, and then y1 12 16 and 6, y2 6 9 11, x2 ya, y2 6 15 7. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, the same green ya. I need to change it to K. Use cyan. Okay. Oh, okay. But why there is no legend? Ah, okay. I need to see legend here. Yeah. So let's put some legend. PLT legend. PLT dot legend. Okay. Okay. So we have the legend there. Okay. Okay. Anybody success with this? Everybody?
Ya, Pak.
Yolanda, success?
Ya, Pak.
Okay, cool. What about the others? All good?
Ya.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Let me. Okay. All right. And then let's continue to the next. What is the next? All right. Next is we are going to develop a bar graph. So let's understand why we need a bar graph. A bar graph uses a bar to compare data among different categories. Yeah. This bar graph is well suited when you want to measure the changes over a period of time. Yeah. What is the changes over a period of time? The bar chart can be presented horizontally or vertically. So also it is important to keep in mind that using the bar, the greater the value, the longer the bar, the greater the value. Okay, now let's practice on using Python Matplotlib using bar. So as usual, we import Matplotlib as Pyplot Splt first, and then we define. Okay, wait a second. Yeah. Okay, we have this one is X. This one is bar number is X, bar height is Y. This is the X, the bar number, and this is the Y. Bar number can be like 2010, 2011, 2012, something like that, yeah. That is the X, and the Y is the sales, maybe like sales, yeah, or profit. Yeah. So you have the bar 13579, and then the Y height is 5 to 5. We have the two bar, yeah? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 is 5, 3 is 2, sales is 2, in 2005 is $7 million, something like that. This is the bar number 1, the blue bar. The green bar will be bar number 2. Yeah. Okay. If there is no color, then it is blue. Yeah. If you do not put color here automatically will be blue. And then put PLT legend, label bar head, bar number, bar head, and info and show. Okay, let's do it in Kaggle. Okay, this one is the same as the previous one. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, so as usual, import Matplotlib as PLT. Yeah, you can do it as well. Import. Actually, it is still active, but it's okay. Matplotlib dot Matplotlib dot plot as PLT. Okay, and then PLT dot bar equals to X and Y with the label of one is, let's say, yeah, odd and even, odd, something like that, with the color is green. Okay. 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 The parenthesis I forgot. This supposedly this one after this. Okay. Plot PLT bar for the odd, and then PLT number 2 for the even with the color of cyan. Let's put it cyan. Okay, and then PLT legend. I want to have legend there, and then let's label the name. PLT dot X label is label bar number, okay, and then PLT dot Y label, sales, and then this is year 1 and year 2, semester, semester 1 and 2. Okay, this one is semester. Let's say semester. Okay, and the sales. Okay, and then PLT dot title is sales report. Sales report. Or not, sales dashboard. And then PLT dot show. Okay, we have then the odd number 579. This one is even 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Okay. And then this one is the sales. 5, 2, 7, 8, 5. And then this one is 8, 6, 2, 2, 6. All right, let's see. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, so this one is on the semester 1, semester 3, semester 5, the odd semester. This is the sales dashboard. So we can compare semester 1 to semester 1, semester 2 to semester 4, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, yeah, to see whether there is incremental in sales. So this is how to do the bar chart. Everybody success? Anybody? Okay, good, Yolanda. Giselle, success?
Yes, Pak.
Okay, good. All right, supposedly everybody okay, yeah? Okay. Next, after the bar chart, we would like to do the histogram. Histogram. Okay. In histogram, okay, the difference between a bar chart and histograms. So the histograms is used to show a distribution, like a normal distribution, skew to the left, skew to the right. You will be learning the skewness on the business analytics, yeah, business analytics. So there will be normal distribution. You will be learning on the normal distribution. So the histogram is using to show a distribution, where a bar chart is used to compare different entities. You want to compare semester 1, semester 2, semester 3. That is, you want to compare different entities, yeah. And then we use histogram when we have a very long array. The array is very long list. Let's say 100 people, something like that, yeah, a long list. So let's say if you want to plot the age of population. Okay, there is ages. Yeah, you want to put ages of the population, but on top of the bin. Yeah, there is a bin there from ages 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. There is a bin there. Yeah. So on top of the bin. So the bin will refer to the range of values that are divided into series of intervals. Yeah. The bin usually created on the same size with the interval of 10. Usually created of the same size. In these codes, I create the bins in interval of 10, which means the first bin contains element from 10 to 9, 11 to 19, yeah, 20 to 29, and so on. Okay, so in this codes, as usual, we import Matplotlib, and there is population ages, and there is bins. Yeah. Bin is within the 10 intervals. And then this is the population, 20, 20, 50. This is the ages of the people. And then plt.histogram, his, yeah, parenthesis, the population ages, comma, the bins, histogram types using bar, with the width, the R width is 0.8. So let's have some X label, Y label, title, histogram, legend, and show. Okay, let's do it in Kaggle. Okay. So as usual, import Matplotlib. You can put it or not, it's no difference. .pyplot splt, and then there is some population ages. Okay, you can put X, something like that, or ages. Okay, let's just the same lah. Population ages. Let's have some square bracket, and then the bins have some square brackets. You can change X here, no worries. X, Y, something like that. Yeah? But you can also put population H, no worries. Just the same. And then plt dot histogram parenthesis the population ages. So you define as population ages, comma SDX and bins as the intervals, comma histogram type equal to bar, okay, and r width equal to 0.8. Okay, you want to put plt dot x label equal to, let's say, ages, yeah, no, okay, ages, and then plt dot y label equal to frequency. Sorry, not the curly bracket, but the round bracket. And then plt dot title. Sorry, this is what happened to Nining before, yeah. Plt dot title is the distribution, ages distribution. Okay, plt dot legend, and then plt dot show. Okay, population age, yeah, this is the random, yeah. Let's say 12, 23, 34, 35, 46, 54, 43, 43, 24, 27, 37, 38, 67, 69. Yeah, so this one is just random, as much as you want. 65, 37, 29, something like that, yeah. And the bins is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What is the oldest one? Say 78. Okay, 80 then. 70 and 80. Yeah, this is one. Just put about 20 numbers. Yeah, no worries. 28, 25, 34, 36, 37, yeah, 45, 47, 50, 51, 52, 60, 69. Okay, just do it. Oh, okay, there is some error. Line 6, Y table, frequency. Forgot to have the quotes. Alright. See? Alright. So this is with the R, red width. If you put G, no, supposedly R kah? No, R width. Wait a second. Okay, I want to change from the red one. Okay, this one is ages. Yeah, this is one the bin ages. Ages bin. And then this one is the frequency. So within the from the okay, let's say we have none in 0 kah? Let's say 8, 9. All right. Okay, just put 1 to make it normal distribution. Yeah. 40 to 50. Okay, let's have it to make it normally distributed. 40 to 41. 42, 41. Okay, 50 going down. So I want to manipulate it to make it normally distributed. and then plus 18. Yep. So this is the distribution, edges distribution. Yeah. Everybody success with this?
Okay, Pak.
Okay, good. Right. So this one is using Matplotlib with using the histogram. Okay.
This histogram, we will have only the red color, or we can change the color also to green, black.
You can change the color as well. To change the color, we use the. Okay, let's see here.
In the color,
Yeah, using the color is G, ya. Can copy here.
color equal G.
Yeah, color G, comma, color G. Alright? No, this one is different. This one. Okay, this one. Color G. Okay. Arasto, Bendu?
Jerry,
Yes.
can you explain again how to make the normal distribution?
Normally distributed. What is the meaning of normal distribution? Meaning that the curve is normal, like a what we call it, the bell curve. So if it is like this, it is called normally distributed. But if it is called like this, skew to the left, meaning, okay, skew to the left means that 330 20. Let's put it here 20. Okay. All right, and then 20. Let's move it. Okay. So okay. 10 is okay, the left, comma, and then 8, comma. So this one is skew to the left. Skew meaning the tail going down to the left. Skew to the left. If the skew to the right, meaning that the 0 and 10, something like on the left bins having the highest frequency going down. So that called skew to the right. Got it, Irwan?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay. So this one is normally distributed. Okay. There will be.
Jerry, I have some error.
Okay, can you show me? Have you shared the screen, Yolanda? Oh, okay. What is the error? No module name. Yeah, just put different name. Matplotlib, not Matplotlib.
Oh, astaga. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Pak.
All right. Okay. So you check the error first. Yeah. There is comment in the error there. Okay. So continue. Next, what is next? Histogram here, and then scatter plot. So in the scatter plot, okay. In the scatter plot, usually we need scatter plot in order to compare variables. Yeah, like in a clustering. Yeah, and there is a cluster there. There is a scatter plot there in the cluster. Yeah, or for example, the data displayed as a collection of points. Yeah, everybody have their coordinates. Yeah, and every points have variables which determine the position on the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. Let's say you have here income. and this is ages. So this is one is low ages, still young, but high income. Okay, let's see. Let me put it here. Okay, scatter plot is to see what is the coordinate of some of people. Yeah? So let's say that this is one is ages, this is income. Age is very young, but the income is very high. Age is very old, but the income is very low. Something like that. That is the use of the scatter plot. So everybody has their coordinates. So in doing this, we need to import Matplotlib, and then we identify the ages and the income. The plt.scatter of the x and y label with the label of you can label anything and the color of the plot, and then you put plt_x label ages, y label income, plt.title scatter plot legend and show. Let's do it in Kaggle.
Jerry, sorry, Pak, I have a question, Pak.
Yes.
So just now for the X and Y, Pak.
Okay.
I mean, this is going to be easy if we only have very few data.
Yeah.
I mean, if we inputted like one number, comma, one number, comma, comma, comma.
Yeah.
But what if like we use this to process big data? Like, can we still use this formula? Then how are we going to transform the data into this format? Is there any tools that
What do you mean?
can help to convert it into
Using the
this
data? What do you mean? Using the data?
Yeah, I mean, like, cause this, we have to input it manually, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Like 5, comma, 2, comma. But if the data is big, like, are we going to do it manually or how?
We are going to do that after this. Yeah. There will,
okay.
on the
Okay, Pak.
I will use the third party data in the Seaborn. Yeah. But in the Matplotlib, I use the array data first.
Okay, Pak.
Okay. Cool. So
Jerry?
yes, Nining.
I have a question.
Yep.
So for the plot itself, like the circle of the size of the circle is can we make it like a different into one another? Let's say for the high income, then the circle will be bigger than others.
Yes, you can. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. This one. Okay, so let's import matplotlib dot pyplot splt, and then ages will be here, income will be here, plt dot scatter plot, scatter ages, and the y is income. Yeah. And then label is just put the label, not need to label here. Why should we label it? No need, because this is a scatter plot. Color is black, and then color is black. Okay, SN25, no need. A marker can be anything, can be okay. Let's put here first. Yeah, and then
Color, Pak. It's not color.
oh yeah.
Color.
Color. All right. Color is K. Okay, you can put it label like high income, low age, something like that. High, something like this. Low age, high income. Yeah. Okay. Low age, high income. So let's put it. Let's say you have two cluster. Yeah. This is cluster number 1, and this is. So I want to make some improvisation. Yeah. Edges number 2. Yeah. With the income 2 equal to this one. Okay. And then you have there edges 1 and income 1, edges 2, income 2, and the label is high age, low income. So this is how to differentiate two cluster, yeah? High age, low income, low age, high income. Okay, and then yeah, this one is the same. Yeah, that PLT X label X, yeah, X label X label it is ages, Y label is income. PLT title is scatter plot income and age. Legend show. Okay, and then let's do it on the data. Ages, low ages, high income. Let's put it at before 25. Okay, 23, 25, 26, 37, 37. Sorry, 38. The ages is 29. Yeah, 38. And then the income, let's say 10, 12, 13, 35. Okay. 18. High income kah? High income. Okay. 17, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 23. Something like that. Ages number 2 is high ages, low income. Oh, okay. High ages above 50, above 40, 41. Oh, no, above 50. 51, 52, 41, 42, 46, 49, 6, 7, 44. Okay, income low. 2, 3, 5, 8, 7, 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do it. Okay, what is the error? PLT scatter X.
Oh, X label there, 2X label maybe. Should be Y.
Come again?
It should be Y label, or there are 2X label there.
Oh, label. There is 2 label there. Low ages, high income, and low income, high ages, low income, isn't it?
No, for X
And
label.
both has to be in X label, is it? One has to be Y label, right, Mark?
Yeah.
Oh, let me
It's
see above.
Yeah, you write an X label.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay, X label, Y label. All right. Okay, X label, Y label. Ages 2. 1 second. X and Y must be the same size. Oh, okay. X and Y must be in the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why.
Oh, the below is 7.
Yeah, 1,
has to
2,
go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's why. All right. Okay, cool. So let's change the color, not K, but green. Yeah. So the black one is low ages, high income. The green one is high ages, low income. This is the income, this is the ages. Everybody success on it? Bendu, are you good?
Mine is not succeed, Pak.
What is the error? Can you show me? Let me stop sharing. Indah is in silent mode.
Wait.
Invalid syntax. Ages 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. You need another 3 income. Ages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Income you only have 5. You need another 3.
Same below also.
Yeah, same with me, yeah. Okay. Ages 1, income
Below
1.
also same.
Yeah, ages 2, income 2. Okay. Color change, not black all. Use another green, yeah. Color green. X label, Y label. Okay. Okay. Income age. Okay. Try it again.
No.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Still 6. Another one.
Oh.
Ages 1 income 1 label.
Okay. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Plt.scatter ages 1 label. Oh, you put another quotation. Forget the quotation of the string.
Which one, Pak? This one.
Quotation for the string, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Name income 2 is not defined yet. Going above. Income 2 not yet. That is
Income 2.
you just put income there.
Income dong.
Yeah, you just put
this
income.
one.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, interesting, kan? All right. So, what about the others? All okay? All right. Okay. No replay meaning okay. Okay, let's continue. What next? Scatter plot. Stock plot. I don't think it is necessarily, yeah. So we do not use this most likely. Stock plot, stack plot, yeah, stack plot. Okay. Okay, let's doing on the pie chart. Okay. So pie chart. So a pie chart is referred to a circular graph, yeah, which is broken down into segments, yeah, like a pie. You slice the pies. Yeah. It is basically used to show the percentage or the proportional data where each of the slice of pie represents a category. Let's see the coding here. We import Matplotlib as usual. So how many slices do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put. You want to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the volume for each? Let's say 7 million, 2 million, 2 million, 13. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Supposedly another one. Yeah? Activities will be, you name it, like eating, how many times you eat on a day, how long do you eat, how long do you sleep, how long do you play, how long do you work. Yeah? And there is a color there: cyan, red, blue. What is M? What is M? Maroon.
Maroon.
Maroon, yeah. Okay. And then plt slice, plt.py. You want to make a pie. Parenthesis of the slice. Labels equal to activities. Colors to calls. Start angle. Start angle 90. Start angle like a angle. Start angle, yeah, 90. Like this. This one is start angle. Start angle. Start angle. 90%. 90, yeah. This is start angle. And then shadow is true. You put another shadow. And then you have explode. Yeah. Explode on the eating. Yeah. Or you want to have some explode. Yeah. So you put the explode, how many percent it is exploding outside. Yeah. And auto percentage, you put percentage on the data automatically. This is the percentage 1.1 f percentage. This is like Excel standard, yeah. How to make percentage on the data. And then title, pyplot, and plt show. Let's have it in the Kaggle. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hours, something like that, yeah. Okay. So let's copy the data here and then put it here, and then let's do some hours here. Import Matplotlib hours. Yeah. So not hours, days. Yeah, sorry. This is days. Yeah, days. Okay. One is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For sleeping, in Monday you have 7 hours. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is the hours. Eating also. Yeah. In hours. Working in hours. And playing in hours. Okay. And then wait a second. This is not the one. This one kah? Yeah, the same, yeah. Okay. No worries. Okay. And then pyplot. Wait a second. Where is the pyplot here? plt.py equal to slices, labels, colors. Oh, okay. Color. Okay. Let's have another. Okay, this one plt.py. This is still plot kah? Change. Okay, this one plt.py. plt.py. Days, sleeping, eating, working, playing, and the slices 7 to 13. Slices. Oh, okay. Okay, the slices equal to 7 to 13. Only 4 kah? 4 slices. Okay, let's do it first. And then plt.py supposedly slices, comma, and then labels equal to activities, not activities, we need to have some activities here, but it is not well defined, so we need to define the activities first. Activities equal to sleeping, and then comma, eating, comma, working, comma, activities, playing, comma, udah ya, that's all. And then colors, let's define it all. I want to define calls, ya. Calls equal to how many color there? Cyan, maroon, and then red, and then blue. Okay, this is we define the days: sleeping, eating, working, playing, slices, activities, and color. Plt.py equal to slices with the label of activities with the colors equal to calls, and then start angle equal to 90, comma, shadow equal to true, we need to have a shadow, and then xplot equal to let's say here xplot 0.100. Okay, xplot equal to 0.100. Okay, and then comma, auto percentage equal to percentage 1.1 f percentage. All right. Okay, this one is more proper. Okay, and then we have the PLT title. This one is not stack plot. Oh, this one is stack plot. Yeah. The one that we skip, yeah, because we do not need, yeah. This one is pie chart. Pie plot. And then PLT show, PLT legend, X label, Y label, no need. because this is pie chart, no need X label. Okay, that's it. Okay. So import Matplotlib pyplot splt days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Sleeping 7 hours, 8 hours. Slices. And then activities 1, 2, 3, 4. And then color. This is PLT pie, the pie chart. That we have the how many slices? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4 slices. And then labels, the activities for every slices. And then the color is from the color calls, the angle starting from 90, shadow through, Splt for the in Splt we put another, this one, if 0, 0, 0, there is no explosion. But if you put the second one, so let's see, if you put 0 here, then meaning there is no explosion. No explosion. But if you put on the index number 1, 0.1, wait a second, like this. Yeah, number 1 is sleeping, explode. If you want to put explode in number 3, 0.1. You can put 0.2, anything. Yeah? Okay. Number 3 is working. So in the index 0, the first one is sleeping, eating, working, playing. If you put number 4, that will be on the playing. Okay. Okay, the playing. Yeah. So this is how to do the pie chart.
Jerry, sorry.
Yes, Bendu.
But I was just not able to understand what is this rectangle 90 and shadow true.
Rectangle.
Can you
Start angle. Start angle.
What is this start angle?
Start angle. You see the 90 when you have the, what do we call it? 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. If you put rectangle, start angle is using the 45.
60.
Something like that. The degree. The degree of the start angle. Okay. If you
Is shadow true?
shadow meaning there is shadow here, but you okay.
If I put false?
Not false, none.
Oh,
This is shadow, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Okay, shadow there. Okay.
So it can be only true or none.
You can do false.
Okay.
Sorry. This is another one. Yeah, this is false. Yeah. So there is. Okay.
No shadow.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, too big. Okay, no shadow, yeah? None. False.
Okay.
What about none? Can you do it? The same, I think. Yeah, same, yeah? None or
Same.
none or false.
Same.
Okay. Succeed everybody? Okay, good. Nining, are you okay?
Okay, Pak.
Alright, so let's put here one. So this one is how to do the Matplotlib. Then next, what is the next topic? Pie chart. Multiple plot. I don't think we need this. Using the cos tangen and cosinus, yeah? No need, no worries. So we can skip this one. Okay. Yeah. So that is on the Matplotlib. Any questions regarding Matplotlib? Any questions?
Sorry if I have missed.
Pretest.
Come again, Nining?
Sorry if I have missed. So that in regard to the Gisela question, that let's say we have like a lot of data,
Yes.
and then it's impossible to put one by one.
No.
For the
We can import the data. We can upload the data.
okay.
Yeah. So I will do it in the. Okay. Let me give example. So this one is this one. Let's say we have to add data, so we can upload the data, something like this, gross file, flights atau ratios, financial ratios. You can import the data. Yeah. So but I will do it in the Seaborn, yeah, the same process. You just import the ratios, open it, the financial ratios, and then you, let's say this one is ratios one. Include duplicates, yeah. So so there is data here. Loading the data. This data ratios. Nah, so you can play with the data, but I will explain it in the Seaborn, the same process, yeah, using the Matplotlib. This is the same question with the Giselle before. Okay, Nining? Okay. Bendu, any questions?
Just to understand one thing, because in our pretest there was a question about the maximum number, I think, for we can assign for some colors or something. Is this colors what we are seeing are those colors, or is there something other colors for what we are referring to?
What do you mean?
Because I see multiple colors like blue, green, black, yellow.
Yeah, this is the one. The cyan, maroon, red, blue. K is black.
Okay.
I forgot the question. What is the question in the pretest?
The maximum number that you can assign for the color is.
That's it. There is maximum maximum color. Yeah. There is maximum.
It's still wrong, Pak.
Come again, Yolanda.
This is for color, yeah.
Oh, this is for color, but the maximum color is, I forgot, yeah. Recall last week class, yeah. We have there. I put it on the PowerPoint, yeah. I think you guys remember last week topic on the I put the, what was the topic last week? It was on the NumPy, yeah, on the pandas kan? On the pandas, yeah. So I put that in the pandas. Okay. I think how many color was that? Yeah. Okay. Later on, yeah. So we will go there after this. Okay. So you can check in the previous PowerPoint. I think I already put it there. Okay. Oops, sorry. Where is it? PowerPoint. Pandas. I think in NumPy. Not here. Yeah, I think in NumPy. I think how many color is there? When we Otomatik kudasai. NumPy. Oh, I did not put it kah? Yeah, okay. Did not kah? I think I explained last week, yeah? Okay, on the Matplotlib. Oh, this one. Oh, no, this one. Okay, so there is, as you understand, there is cyan, blue, maroon, yeah, and then black. How many of them? You count it. Yeah.
So there are 5 what we are using now, but there are only options which is still 4.
Yeah, so you can do it 5. Yeah, kan? Because the slices is 4 is there, kan? There are 4 slices. Then we do it 5 color. Yeah, something like that.
But the options available is 1, 2, 3, 4 only, but there is no 5.
No, yeah, because the slices is 4. But if there is 5, then we can put K for black. We haven't used black yet, isn't it?
Only in the graph, right, we used when we made that. Is that?
Yeah. Okay. Come to that after this. Okay. All right. So, any other questions on the Matplotlib? No questions? Okay, let's continue to the seaborn.